Working in space. It looks like a lot of fun, and it is, but it takes education and experience to work in space. And astronauts don't do it alone. A lot of people do a lot of different kinds of jobs related to outer space. So what kind of careers are we talking about? Well, there are different kinds of jobs on the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Pilot astronauts fly the Space Shuttle. The shuttle's commander is assisted by a co-pilot. There are mission specialist astronauts. These men and women are responsible for planning the crew's activities on the shuttle. They check the craft's foods and water supplies. They get to walk in space. That's called extravehicular activities. Some astronauts are payload specialists. They're responsible for scientific experiments being done in space. These astronauts also help with deploying and retrieving satellites. Satellites are objects that orbit or fly around the Earth. Some take pictures of the Earth to make maps or to track the weather. Others send television signals or phone calls from one part of the Earth to another. To be an astronaut, you have to have a college degree in engineering, a biological science, a physical science, or mathematics. Most have master's or doctorate degrees as well. Pilot astronauts have to be in great physical condition, have good eyesight, and be between 64 and 76 inches tall. Mission specialists have to be in good physical condition. They can wear glasses or contacts, and they can be a bit shorter but no less than 58.5 inches tall. Payload specialists have to have special experience and training necessary for their scientific experiments. Although lots apply, very few people get to be an astronaut. But lots more get to work in space-related jobs. How about becoming a meteorologist? Meteorologists use pictures from space to understand the weather. There are even meteorologists who study the weather on Mars. How about becoming an astronomer? These scientists study the stars. Geologists study rocks. Most study rocks here on Earth, but some look at rocks found on the planets in our solar system. They look at pictures and study rock formations. Some even evaluate the moon rocks brought back by the Apollo astronauts. How about becoming a doctor? Many physicians work for NASA, taking care of the astronauts and learning how living in space can affect the human body. You could even become a commentator. This person describes what the astronauts are doing to the television audience listening back on Earth.
This is Space Lab Operations Huntsville, now preparing.
The voice you hear when the shuttle goes off comes from a NASA commentator. There are lots of different kinds of space careers. I've just mentioned a few. There are lots of others. From the engineers who design the equipment to the technicians who build the projects. From the astronauts who take pictures or conduct experiments in space to the scientists on Earth who use that information to expand the understanding of our world. A career in space may someday be just the job for you.